Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to turn a normal photo into a live figurine collector, where you will get three 3D figurines of the same person. There are childhood, adult, and old versions, and the best part, you can do this easily using PixVerse. So let's get started. First, just open PixVerse, and then next you can use it on the website or the mobile app like this. Both work just fine. And after that, just log in using your Google account and don't worry about the credits, because PixVerse will give you free daily credits so you can try this feature without paying anything. And once you're logged in, just go to the template sections. This one, just tap on it, and then next just search for the live figurine like this. This one, just tap on it, and then next tap on use template and just upload the photo that you want to transform. For best result, just use clear photo with good lighting and make sure the face is clearly visible, for example like this. And then next just tap on create. It will take 15 credits. Just tap on it. And then go back and go back again and go to mine and wait for the process. And okay, like this. In just a few moments, you will see the results like this. Three detailed 3D figurines representing the present childhood versions, adult and old age versions like this, and all in a collector style display like this. And I think it looks super cool, and I think it's really realistic. It's so awesome. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.